Hello there and welcome. My name is Linda Ektadari, and as you can see from my picture, I'm a world traveler. Having studied and taught at universities around the world, I've learned to adapt to foreign languages and cultures. Well, I'm still a traveler today, but this time in a very different world, the world of internet marketing. It has its own foreign language and culture, and believe me, learning to adapt to it has not always been easy. Internet marketing has been a new and challenging adventure from which I've drawn the strengths that have made me an even better internet marketer today. So please allow me to make this adventure a little easier for you and share with you what I've learned about Wall Street rescue and binary options. With that being said, simply allow me to be your passport to internet marketing success. This is a video review of Wall Street Rescue by Christopher. I'm not affiliated with either, and so I'm not being compensated for reviewing this program in any way. So safe passage is definitely guaranteed. In the next few moments, I'm going to share my thoughts and findings on this product. I know you're excited about it and have been encouraged to buy it. This review will help you make some final decisions because I'm going to give you some insider scoops on Wall Street rescue and binary options. So let's just go ahead and begin, but with a precaution, if I may. Important here is don't buy Wall Street Rescue before watching this video review to the end, because I simply want to advise you of several precautionary measures you might wish to consider before using it. Should you decide not to go with Wall Street Rescue after considering the precautions, you don't need to leave empty-handed. You can make a final decision to accept a very special free offer which can be used to make money online quickly, and that is without depositing any money with a broker, without forecasting, and without risk-taking. And it's Jeff Buchanan's Instant Payday Network. You can click on the link below this video to get it after watching this video review to the end. Okay, so now I think we can go ahead and begin with the review. Wall Street Rescue is a trading system developed by Christopher. It is a product which is based on automated binary options trading. It is claimed that the software watches closely over the market and looks for profitable binary options trades using a proven trading system. When it finds an option that meets this criteria, it will send out a notification to alert traders. This one software contains everything you need to know about the 60-second trade, including all the indicators. You don't need to go to other websites to find anything else. And this is why they claim it takes a few clicks of the mouse to make money with their system. It's also suggested that this system can help internet marketers, especially novice marketers, actually complete these trades and make money with a few clicks of the mouse. But what this really means is that the system is supposed to tell you what to trade and when to trade. So the keywords here are supposed to, because whether it really does this efficiently all the time is a maybe. Everyone really wants to believe this works. However, let us first consider what binary options appear to be, and if you want to base your beliefs on your hard-earned cash on forecasts and predictions. Binary options, as you know, are really popular in the U.S. today, and there are various software programs such as this one claiming that you can make a lot of money with them. Therefore, if you are a newbie, please be careful. That's all I'm saying before opening up a trading account. Why? Because developers often know that newbies might be willing to spend big money on anything they see for sale online, hoping it might help them learn how to make even more money. Also, developers often get kickbacks from trading companies if new accounts are opened, because suggested brokers are often listed in the software packages or programs. This is why Christopher is able to give away this system for free initially. He will always be getting kickbacks, and the brokers will always be making money on your trades and the trades of hundreds of other clients that have been referred to them. But statistically speaking, you will not always be making money, because this type of a system, which is based on forecasting, is much riskier for you than them. That is, the developers and brokers. And you don't think about this when you hear about this system. It's free, it sounds exciting, and you want to get started with it right away. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with this, but I'm suggesting that you must proceed with caution, especially if you're new at this. If you're just starting out, please know that this method of trading is, as I just mentioned, very risky, as it is an all or nothing proposition where payoffs are a fixed amount or nothing. This means if you win, you get the fixed amount. If you lose, you get nothing. You lose the whole trade amount. Keep in mind that you're not buying stocks or assets, nor do you need to own any when trading binary options. Rather, you're simply predicting whether an asset will go up or down within a trade period of time, which could be anywhere from 30 seconds to 30 minutes. For example, in this particular case with Wall Street Rescue, it's 60 seconds. So you or the software are making a bet on a forecast, sometimes both together. It just depends on how the system works. Forecasts are not certain, just like weather forecasts are not certain. Because of this, I'm not able to say whether you will make money or not with this product. I do know, however, that there are safer, freer ways to make money with programs online, such as Instant Payday Network, the program that I previously mentioned. You can just click the link below the video to check it out when we're done here. But I think a good rule of thumb is just don't trade binary options unless you do not need the money you might lose. But in any case, what you need to do to get started with the program is need to open an account with the recommended broker, which is B Options, operating out of Europe. Secondly, you need to deposit real money, a minimum of $250, and I understand there is also a matching bonus of 20% if you use their starter pack. So if you accept the bonus and make the deposit of $250, you'll start off with $300 in your account. And thirdly, once you open the account, you can download the software and begin trading right away. Now, if you still are intrigued by the system and you want to take it for a test run, here are some tips to help minimize your risks. First of all, don't accept any matching deposit bonuses when opening an account, because if you decide to quit, it's difficult to get a refund. There are more expert traders out there, and they know what they're doing. But if you're new, I'm suggesting don't do any matching deposit bonuses right away. Secondly, have a account manager from each brokerage open a demo account for you. It doesn't hurt to ask. Usually there are some available. This is simply a dummy account with fake money where you can trade without risking anything, and you can simply test your skills and practice. You could do maybe 50 to 100 trades, or as many as you need to feel comfortable and confident. Then go ahead and try some real trading by betting maybe $5 to $10 per account. If you don't feel comfortable, simply close all of your accounts. And remember, you can usually get your money back if you have not accepted any matching bonuses, but you need to read between the lines carefully, because often I have seen signs that say no refunds at all. So you need to know this. That's one thing you need to keep in mind. And a last note to people who are affiliate marketers: if you decide to use this product as an affiliate instead of as an end user, you might be in competition with more experienced marketers. That decision, of course, is entirely up to you. I think that Christopher is a brilliant software marketer in the field of trading binary option, and has put together a really intriguing marketing product with Wall Street Rescue. The product could really fill many trading and marketing needs, assuming that it works as well as advertised. But since the system tells you what to trade and when to trade, it really does free up your time to try something that really works for making money online and risk-free, such as the Instant Payday Network program I've suggested to you. You could even do both programs simultaneously, because Wall Street Rescue claims that this program their program, excuse me, doesn't take any time at all. If you do 3 or 4 trades, they claim it doesn't take more than 25 minutes a day. So you really do have extra time. And um, if you lose too much money with Wall Street Rescue, you can have this system in your back pocket, the instant payday system, and you can maybe regain some of the money you may have lost with Wall Street Rescue. It's free and there's no risk to it, so you might as well try it out. The best part of my review is coming up. I just want to tell you a little bit more about Instant Payday Network by Jeff Buchanan, simply because it is a no-risk, free internet marketing system, and you can start making money right away with it without worrying about losing anything. There are no trial periods because it's always free and yours to keep forever. Just click on the link below this video to get Instant Payday Network at my website, passporttointernetmarketingsuccess.com. I've looked over the years and I was looking for a program that was free because I wanted to try it out and time efficient that didn't take a lot of time. And this is the best one that I have found personally. And it includes the 2 best kept secrets on the internet, traffic and conversions. And those were the other 2 things I was constantly trying to find out about. It was very difficult. It was a secret, or you had to pay a lot of money to find out. And Jeff has given it for free, and not only one type of method for driving traffic, but many. So let's just take a quick look at what his program is not, and I think that will probably answer a lot of your questions. It's not an MLM, it's not a multi-level marketing program because there's nothing to sell. There's no bugging friends and family because there's nothing to buy. No cold calling, no three-way calling, and because there are no products, you don't have to warehouse or ship anything, and there's no inventory to track. And so I know you're probably asking, okay, well, how do you make money if there's no products? What you learn to do is drive traffic to Fortune 500 sites where there are free offers for them to try. And if they try a free offer, the Fortune 500 companies will pay you money. And that's it in a nutshell, but Jeff can explain it much better. So if you click on the system when we're done here, you can hear Jeff talk about it and explain it better. Let's take a look at what it has to offer. It's a free, complete, turnkey marketing system built to bring in traffic and conversions. Remember, those are the 2 best kept secrets on the internet, I think. And there's a free capture page with no monthly hosting fees. It has a 35 to 50% conversion rate, which is a really great rate every day. Capture pages, for those of you who have tried to find out about them, well, you know that they can cost a lot to be built, and then you have to monitor them and make sure they work correctly. And Jeff has saved you all the time and expense here. There's a free automated sales funnel where you get paid every day for the work you do, and that's absolutely wonderful. Free email autoresponder, which is a great asset because, to build the email lists, that is important because it's a crucial part of your business. And I've checked these programs out too, and they cost between $30 and $40 a month. And then there's a free exclusive training center set up to show you how to make money. I call it a little mini reference library. It's like a back office. There's lots of resources, and you can choose how you'd like to drive traffic and make conversions. And best of all, it's free to get started. And so this is a complete package with everything in it that you need, and it's free. And as I mentioned, I've checked a lot of these things out, and they each thing costs money. Autoresponder costs money, capture pages costs money, and so I was really impressed with this system, and that's why I decided to start using it. Well, now that I've told you about the best free program I found, don't forget to click the link below and take a look at this program because it's set up for people such as yourself, that are trying to make money online. And, it's hard to find. You feel that you might be scammed, or they offer these little click button, click bank softwares and promise you that you'll make $1 million overnight. And I've been through all that, and that's just not the case. But with Instant Payday Network, you're probably going to make $100 to $150 a day. It's not a million, but it does add up. And it's all for free. You don't have to pay anything to do that. All you have to do is follow the program and the steps. There's just four steps, actually just three. The fourth step is optional, and the system converts the traffic for you. And I will personally be your internet marketing coach. You can email or call me, and I will help you with everything. If you get stuck, it's not a problem. And let's see. Oh, yes. One other thing you probably would like to check out. You can go on Google, search, and input Instant Payday Network income proof statement, and you'll find more than 6,000 people making money with this system. And some of them you'll see it's quite astounding, making up starting at $10,000 a month and more. Uh, so you could even try to contact those people if you wanted to check it out further. But we have a webinar every week, and you could also check out on Facebook. There is a wonderful Instant Payday Network Facebook page that answers all of your questions and helps you with everything as you go along also. So it's a great support system here. Well, you know, go ahead and click the link below this video and find out what really works every day for myself and everyone else on my team. Instant Payday Network people are doing quite well with the system. Here it is once again. You can review it. I'm sure you won't be disappointed with it because it's such a complete system, everything you need, and it's all free. And I hope this makes sense to you. And if you decide to purchase the Wall Street Rescue, I hope it works for you. If it doesn't, you can come back here and click the button below and use this program. Or as I mentioned, use both together because the Wall Street frees up a lot of time, so why not? I hope you feel this review was helpful. Please leave a comment and give a thumbs up. Wishing you all the best, my fellow internet travelers.